G money rise, G money rise. Yeah. Can't slow down, might get a speed ticket. G money rise, known for popping willies. Cops pull me over, then they let me go. Catch me if you can, or eat my dust, bro. G money rise.
How you doing, boss?
How's it going? In a hurry?
Well, yeah, I forgot my clear visor at home. Just got back from a ride with a bunch of really nice guys in Clinton.
Okay.
And was just trying to get home. I'm sorry. I apologize. I'm sorry?
You get your license with you?
I do. Can I get in my backpack?
Yep, sure. Got anything?
Absolutely no weapons, nothing in there. Nothing can do anything to anybody.
I appreciate you pulling over right away.
Yeah, well, I saw you there, and I was like, well, you know, hey, he's going to come after you, so make it easy on him.
Appreciate it.
Now, I'm going to warn you right up front, I do have a couple of tickets,
All right.
but they're a year and a half ago. Yeah, please, thank you. Not sure. Oh, no, I got it in here, that's right. Oh, I'm sorry. I got it right in my back pocket. License. You need proof of insurance, registration, all that.
Just insurance. I got the registration.
Okay, I got to get in my tail for that. That is the valid one, right?
Yep.
Cool.
Yep. June to June 22. Yep. All right, sir. Well, May wasn't your month last year, was
It was not, sir.
Oh, slow down.
Thank you very much.
On radar, but I have a feeling you're probably going well over 55.
Absolutely, without a doubt.
All right, slow down, take your time, be safe.
Sure will.
All right, watch out for the deer out there.
Thank you, officer. Hey, have a great rest of your weekend, by the way.
You too.
I saw him, and then I turn around and I look in my rear view, and sure enough, I saw lights come on. That's all I needed to see. I just fucking went ahead and pulled over.